Day 7 of implementing SAP from scratch. Till now, we have done fit to standard workshops. We have identified 80 gaps and a team of 100 people is ready to start implementation. Our solution design document is ready and now we will start building. Before we start building, there is one important concept you must understand. In SAP, we never build directly inside the live system. We have three separate environments: development, quality, and production. Development is where we build and configure new things. Quality is where we test, and production is the live system. Any new feature we are trying to build or any new configuration we are doing, it's first built inside development system. Once the feature is developed, it's moved to quality system and we test the features inside quality. And if it is not having any errors or bugs, it's moved to production. This is called SAP system landscape. And larger companies may have more number of systems. They may have a system for user acceptance testing. They may have one system for pre-production. They may have a sandbox system. It all depends on the requirement and size of the company. But any company will have minimum three systems: development, quality, and production. Now let's get back to the configuration. So what does the functional consultant actually do in the development system? They configure. And what is configuration? You go into the SAP settings and tell the system how your company works. What is your company currency? Is it Indian rupee, US dollar, or euro? What are your payment terms? Is it 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days? Who approves a purchase order above $50,000? You are not writing any code here. You are answering simple questions and SAP sets the system itself based on your answers. Most of what a company needs is already existing in SAP system. You just have to configure it correctly. In the next Smart project, the realization phase runs for 20 weeks and the team works in sprints. Sprint 1, finance team configures the chart of accounts, company codes, and payment terms. Sprint 2, procurement team configures the purchase order, workflow, and vendor master data. Sprint 3, sales team configures the pricing structure and customer master data. Similar way, module by module, sprint by sprint, we progress. Every 2 weeks, the next Smart core team sits with the consultants. They review what has been built, they test it, and they give feedback. This is how a real SAP implementation is done. After every sprint, the consultant tests what they have built. This is called unit testing. For example, the finance consultant configures the vendor payment process. Then they test it themselves. Create a vendor, post an invoice, run the payment, and check the result. If it works, it moves forward. If it fails, they fix it before the next sprint. Configuration is only half the story. Remember those 23 gaps that needed custom development? Those cannot be configured. They have to be built. And in the next video, we go into the development side of the realization phase, BTP extensions, ABAP development, and the integration challenges that we are going to face. Until then, stay tuned.